Okay, kids, as your inquiry assignment for Tuesday, August 25th, you are going to go into our Boundaries Virtual Library, which can be found here. I know it doesn't say Boundaries Virtual Library, but we've talked about it before. This book that I'm reading right now is right underneath it or around here is a live link to the Boundaries Virtual Library. You're going to click in. And then you are going to read, you're going to click on this book here, Stand Tall, Molly Lou Melon. And I want you to be thinking as you're listening to the text, I want you to be thinking about what could this possibly have to do with boundaries. And we haven't talked exactly about everything that you're supposed to be learning in this unit yet because this is an inquiry unit and I want you to be developing your own ideas along the way. So you might be thinking of some questions that you have. How does this relate to our boundaries unit of study? What kind of boundaries would be present in this story? What kind of boundaries are related to what happens with and to Molly Lou Melon? There will be a discussion thread that you can post to after listening to Molly Lou Melon. You're going to go back into the class homeroom page and you're going to click into the week 2 assignments, and in the inquiry folder there will be a discussion thread related to Molly Lou Melon. So you're going to want to go into the inquiry folder and post your thoughts or questions about the story Molly Lou Melon from the virtual library on the Bitmoji Classroom. Good luck, have fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing your response.